Myntri rangba ke Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong baka Kynhun Myntri kala ajing Mynjur ke Meghalaya Money Lenders and Accredited Loan Providers Bill arajar arpun rio. Bat kini kaan ke batamai ke bo ke Kyndon bari ban pendrung kerteng bante Kyndon kinong Airam Shimet lengba ki Deputy Commissioner. Ban penti kena ya kejing Airam ke Basai ban yadai kejing Knyot Ben ban yadai kinong Shimram na kejing Shaot Sut ke Bahia. Uloong kadi kalong kesenjam ke badan kam ban Shimram da kejing Kitliak ba kejing yadai keleng ke Pisa iginong Shong ke Meghalaya. Galor kani ke Kynhun Myntri kala ajing Mynjur ya ke Meghalaya banning of unregulated deficit schemes lani ke BUTS rules arajar arpun rio. Kukandat kongkal sangma uloong bagi rule kepala tahu ke sarkar jela hapok ke BUTS Act ke sarkar India kan penklan ya kejing pentri kam ha Meghalaya. Bat penklan ya kejing ada ki skim terpisah ki baklam te Kyndon. Kynhun Myntri kala ajing Mynjur ban kentiu kerdan yo sangma kumu legal remembrancer and secretary jong katanat law.
As you're aware, that this money lenders and accredited loan providers bill, or the act earlier was the Assam Act. And we were for many years following the Assam Act. And therefore, we decided that we are going to come up with our own act. And that's why this act has come into place. It is similar to what was there in the original act when we were part of Assam. It's in similar lines. But the main purpose of this act basically is to put a law in place to ensure that private money lenders are registered with the government. So the idea is that there are a lot of people who are lending money in the market, but a lot of them are not registered with the government. There is no system of monitoring them and no system of ensuring that they don't completely rip off or completely take full advantage of the public and people who are in very difficult circumstances. And a mechanism is there to monitor them and to see the kind of rates that they charge. They don't go in an exorbitant way. To monitor all of these aspects, this particular bill has always been there, act has been there. But as I said, we had adopted the Assam Act in the past. And today we have passed the Meghalaya Money Lenders and Accredited Loan Providers Bill 2026. And the idea is, as I said, to monitor private money lenders so that they are registered with the government through the Deputy Commissioner. The Deputy Commissioners will be authorized, and the Deputy Commissioners will further instruct or do the necessary process of registering these different private money lenders and monitoring them and ensuring that proper process is followed and the common people do not suffer because of different advantages that these private money lenders might take.